Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Żaneta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. Two months ago, I came across a competition organized by the Mainland Efforts Council together with the Immigration Office and Cheers magazine. The main idea of the competition was to introduce your life in Taiwan in less than 3 minutes. I thought, why not to join? There is nothing to lose. So I made a video, uploaded it to my channel, and joined the competition. 2 weeks ago, the shortlisted list was released, and we were among the 25 selected. Shortly after, we received an email inviting us to the winners' ceremony held in Taipei. I don't have much experience making videos, as I used to only write, so being in the top 20 out of nearly 200 videos sounds great. In the past, the competition was primarily for individuals from China, Hong Kong and Macau. However, this year it was open to participants from any country. I wasn't the only non-Asia person to join, but I was the only white person at the award ceremony.
波兰女孩在台湾的生活风评测。
There were 20 winners in total, with 3 people chosen throughout online voting, and the rest selected by judges. We made it into the group of 8 people who received awards for excellent work. 2 people were awarded for 2nd and 3rd place, and 1 lucky winner received $200,000. Despite the cold front, the weather was great that day. We could even see Taipei 101. When I was here 6 years ago, half of the building was covered in clouds. For more travel and food-related content, feel free to check out my other videos as well as my blog, where I have been writing for the past 6 years. Thanks for watching. Bye!